Every product placed on the market must comply with the specific product regulations that apply to its category, as well as the GPSR. The main goal of GPSR is to ensure that all consumer products placed on the EU and UK market are safe. Additionally, it provides a legal framework to the market surveillance authorities to take all necessary actions for reporting about dangerous and non-safe products. The GPSR was created in response to the growing number of products sold online. However, it doesn't only cover products sold online, but any product placed on the EU and UK market, including products for professional use, repaired or reconditioned products. Any product placed on the market must comply with both the GPSR and the specific product regulations that apply to its category. Under this law, manufacturers and all economic operators have a duty of care. This includes conducting thorough safety risk assessments so that products are safe for use, providing clear usage instructions and safety warnings, ensuring product traceability, including visible contact information on the product for consumer support. To meet compliance, businesses must appoint a responsible economic operator in the EU or in the UK. This could be an authorized representative who takes on the legal responsibility for ensuring product safety under the regulation. At CE.way, we can act as your EU and UK authorized representative, supporting your compliance with both EU and UK requirements, ensuring all products meet all safety standards and remain market ready.